Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Taurus trunk without a key. First, check the most common methods. Many Ford Taurus models have an electronic release button inside the car, often on the dashboard or near the radio. Also, look for a discrete button located just above the license plate on the trunk lid itself. If your key has a physical blade, try using it directly in the trunk's lock cylinder. If the external options don't work, you can often access the trunk from inside the vehicle. Many Ford Taurus models feature fold-down rear seats. Look for release levers or straps, usually near the top of the seatbacks or behind the seat belts. Once the seats are down, carefully climb into the trunk and locate the emergency release handle, which is typically a bright, glow-in-the-dark tab. Pull it firmly to open the trunk. A dead car battery can prevent your electronic trunk release from working. To resolve this, you'll need to jump-start your Ford Taurus. Connect booster cables from a working battery or a portable jump starter to your car's battery terminals, usually found under the hood. Once power is restored, you should be able to use the interior or exterior electronic trunk release buttons to open the trunk. For more complex situations, like a broken latch or a non-functional key cylinder, a professional locksmith can provide specialized assistance. Some older Ford Taurus models also have unique mechanical cable releases accessible from under the rear driver's side seat. To prevent future lockouts, always ensure your car's battery is in good health and consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.